Hello, welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I just want to do a little quick flip through of this book that I bought yesterday. I was going about 40 minutes away to Peterborough to pick up some more of the upholstery fabric samples from Restwell Upholstery, and on the way I went through a little small town, and the church there was having a book sale, and apparently they have it every week. Anyway, I went in and looked around quickly and picked this up. And the reason I picked it up was because I'm working on my family photo journaling cards to send to my family reunion, and they're quilters. So I thought that a lot of the pages in here would make great backgrounds. So I'm just going to do a flip through of it so that if you're looking for the same sort of images, you can see what this book has in it. So it's Quilters Complete Guide by Oxmoor House, and it's a hardcover, but it's a spiral bound book. So it's by Marianne Fawns and Liz Porter. So right off the bat, first page is a full page of a log cabin quilt. Just absolutely love that pattern, and it's in red, white, and blue. So it'll be perfect for my family photos to go up against. And then there's some cool flowers that you can cut out, even just either fussy cut, fussy tear, or punch them out. There's so many ways. Even with the ones with the writing in behind, I would still use them. You might want to ink them or something to color them in. The text is on this patterned background, which will make for interesting backgrounds as well. There's little snippets like this that are on a much smaller scale that would be good to use. Again, this one's just a white background, but this one has this creamy off-white patterned background. Another full page of quilt. And it's very, it's photographed really, really well. It's very clear images. I mean, even just this one with all sewing room paraphernalia is a neat background for the quilters and sewers in my family. Little flowers out of, fabric scraps. Those could be punched out. It's just got so much in it. I paid $4 for this book. So, and it's a nice quality paper. It's not super shiny, but it has a sheen to it, and it's thick enough that if you backed it with just some more paper, it might be enough. I'll probably still back it onto cardstock, but just great color combinations. And then you've got different sewing techniques. Those can be great backgrounds too. Look at another full page of a quilt. Like, I know there's a lot of good information in here, and it would be a good book just to keep, but I picked it up specifically for the images. There's a nice little border. Another border. Page edges. There's a great one. And then these pattern things. I mean, I might even just cut some of those out and make templates with them, because I thought about doing some quilt patterns with paper. Be easiest with cardstock, I think, so you can butt the edges tight together. You'd have to be pretty precise with your cutting. We've got more log cabin here, and I'm not sure what this pattern is, but really nice. Ohio Star, I think it is. It's just done in a weird way. I just love all these little borders. I'll cut them all out. And look at this red, white, and blue. It's just gorgeous. It reminds me of a quilt my mom made. It took her years to finish it. Of course, she put it away and didn't work on it for years, but it was just red and white triangles. I think my sister has that quilt. Bear paw, blue and white. That'd be great for the guy stuff. The red, white, and blue will work for the guy stuff too. Another border. Another full page. So it's kind of like every chapter has a full page of quilt pictures. Lots of borders, lots of different backgrounds. Lots of red, white, and blue, which is just exactly what I need. That's a neat pattern, like a sunrise. That's very manly. I just can hardly wait to use some of this. I might get into it today. I have until the end of September, basically, because the family reunion is towards the end of October, so I want to give the stuff 3 good weeks to get there. Grandmother's flower garden, applique flower. My great-grandmother used to make pillows this shape. How to make appliques. That's a cute border, and that's a cute picture. I can use that. Angel and some hearts. So I just thought some of you might be interested in, you know, something that you could look for at the thrift store when you go, or at yard sales and stuff. You might think, well, quilting, I don't quilt. I don't need a book about quilting. But if you're doing any kind of country ephemera for family or just for a theme, this is full of great ideas. And I know that the hardcovers at Value Village are around $7, but I think this is worth every penny of $7 for all that it has in it. Another good red and white page. That would be good for a Canadian theme. And yellow. Don't work much with yellow myself. The hands. Heart and hand. Just, it's not, I mean, I will use the text as well. So the whole book will get used. Maybe I'll do a playlist of every project that I make using this book. And that way, if you get one of these books too, you could follow along my videos and make similar projects. Maybe not the same, but even this is a great little layout for, you know, hills in the foreground, the sun, and clouds or sky in the background. Like, you could use that for painting. You could use it for paper. You could take and cut pieces of fabric and fray the edges and leave them sticking up and make it really funky. There's nice red, black, and white. And there's some nice little focal point sized pieces. That's pretty. These are more my colors, but I'm working on this stuff for my family, who is very USA oriented, of course, because that's where they live. I love this too. Gingham makes it very interesting to look at. Pleated patchwork. That must be a lot of work, but I bet you that would be an easy one to do with paper. As hard as it looks like it would be, I think it would be simple. Oh, and that's pretty. It's my color too. Oh, and then a crazy quilt. I love those crazy quilt where they were dark colors and every piece had different decorative stitching on it. yo-yos. I have I think it's a king size bedspread made out of yo-yos. It's gorgeous. Cathedral window, my mom used to do those. Look at this picture, just love that. And there's a crazy quilt. That's a classic crazy quilt right there. I have one that I'm using out in my hammock right now, and it's just a coverlet. It doesn't have any stuffing in it at all, but it is 2 layers of fabric. And it's done like this, but it's brighter, cheery colors. I really like it for the summer. And there's another red and white and a little bit of brown. And then the glossary of quilting terms can really be something to use. I could make a whole little booklet of that. So it's going to be fun to use this book, and I just wanted to share it with you before I started ripping into it, in case you were wanting to pick one up as well. It's got an ISBN number here, so 0847-10991. And so you can screenshot that if you want to look for it online. And just wanted to share that with you. So look forward to that playlist. I'll get working on one right away and try to keep with it and keep doing different projects till the book's used all up. So thanks for watching today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.